Guys,
Welcome back to another video. Oh my god, I have the hiccups. Today we're doing a iPad unboxing, but first you guys had 10 seconds to guess which iPads we got.
Yep.
We got two, and they're different types.
Yeah. And
We have 10 seconds. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3,
2, 1, 0.
Did you guess it? We got the, drumroll please. We got the iPad Air and the iPad 7th generation.
Yep.
I think the iPad Air that I got was released in March 2019, and I know like the 7th generation iPad was released in September, I believe. Oh my god, I have the hiccups. So we're going to be unboxing it. So the plastic wrap I just took out, and I've had an iPad when I was 3 years old, and I got it for my 3rd birthday. So that one doesn't work anymore because it's like more than 5 years. Like, I don't know. I think 8. I don't know. But this thing needs to open.
It's actually nice.
And the Air actually works better. I don't want to tell you guys everything, or there's no point of doing a second video. But the Air actually works better. And I got the Air. But my brother is a little bit newer, so
Yeah,
there's
mine's
pros and
a
cons
little
for
bit
both.
newer. Mine is like
And
more
if you don't-
newer
pros
than
and
my
cons are, there's
sister.
good things and bad things about both. Oh my god, I don't want to touch it. We didn't get these. Hey, we didn't get the screen protector and the cover yet, but you know, whatever. That's okay. Wait, I need.
This doesn't even work yet. We just need a charge.
I have touched a lot of iPads because we had iPads in our school last year, but we're in a different school this year. It comes with a charger. My phone's charger doesn't work, so I can use this now. That's why I haven't been on my phone for like the past 3 days.
Yeah.
Barely. Like I have it would charge like up 2%, and then I would look at it, and then it would die. So no point. But we had a 3-day weekend in school, so we went out. Except on Saturday we didn't. On Friday we did, and today, yesterday we did. Yeah, I think yeah. And then on yesterday we did, and today we did. And then Memorial Day, President's Day.
Yeah.
So this is the plug and the charger, but we're here for the iPad, not the plug and charger. Okay.
We
I
need
don't know
to
how to
charge
shut
it
this on.
up.
I am.
It doesn't work yet.
It's gonna. I think it comes up with a hello sign stuff. Sleep. Like press the top button to turn off. Or wake iPad Air. Press and hold to power off.
Oh yeah.
Comment down below if, like the new slime inspired background. I honestly am in love with it. I love it so much.
Let's open mine
And
up.
that's the second part of the video. Okay, I don't want to break this, but you can just hold it. Yeah, no option. See, hello, whatever.
What's Halo mean?
And then you choose a language, and then you choose your country, region, United States, set up manually, and then you connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, and then you enter the password, whatever it is. This is huge, honestly.
Yes.
I have not filled my iPad.
Oh.
Okay, what am I doing? I got the silver. My brother has a space gray, but I wanted this gray, but my mom said I should get silver, so I just got silver. and my brother got space gray. Because we didn't want to get the same color, but I wanted space gray. But then there was gold. It was like a it had like a tint of rose gold, and obviously he would not get rose gold, so it had to be space gray and silver. Continue. So then you have to like add your iCloud, Apple ID, and stuff like that. Which I have to ask my mom which one it is, and she is at home. So we're gonna unbox my brother's now.
Yep.
It comes with a sticker. Mine had like this sticking stick to it that you could peel it. Yours doesn't, so it's gonna be really annoying to unbox yours. Should we do like a customizing our iPad video, or we spray paint or paint our iPad?
Yeah, comment down below. Wait, we should not hide it by iPad.
Should we spray paint our iPad?
No, I'm not lying. We cannot do that.
They have to comment down below. Well, we only have a gold and silver spray paint at the current moment. So my iPad's already silver, and nobody wants gold. So. Comment down below which one you like better, gold or silver. I personally like silver better. Wait, I'm gonna break it. I wonder why my parents, we were originally gonna get an iPad mini for my brother, but then we didn't end up doing that. And I was gonna get this one. Nobody was gonna get the iPad Air. Wait. Okay, I'm going crazy.
That was terrible. Mine is so black.
Yours is the same exact thing.
Why is mine so black?
His is the same exact thing. Yours is space gray. Do you want silver? Do you want to trade? Well, mine has a faster processing, and if I download the apps and stuff, it's faster processing. And mine was more expensive, so I believe this one. Oh yeah, I don't want to tell you guys the whole pricing and stuff, because as I told you, I'm gonna do a video. If you break this, you're gonna get in huge trouble because he has broken like 3 phones. So
Yeah, when I was a baby, I just broke maybe.
Not a baby, but young age.
When I was a baby, maybe I broke 2 phones. And when I was
4. English, United States, start. This is gonna take forever, and I kind of know already this because in school, as I told you guys, we did this. And I have an iPhone, so I kind of know it.
Yeah, I basically don't have a phone.
You don't need a phone. You're not even 6, so you don't need a phone.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I. Why does my hair look so weird? Stripe it out.
Okay. Next. Yeah, but yeah,
Yes,
that's it for
please.
this video, I guess.
Ow.
I don't know yet if this is the end of the video because we still need to set it up. Probably this is the end of the video. Just a little unboxing and setup. I kind of told you guys what to do when you actually turn it on the first time, the first touch of it. I will see you with a new video very soon. Bye guys. Oh my god, you guys can see. Scissors, handy dandy. But yeah, I'll see you with a new video very soon. Bye guys.